Hi again, everyone. So today we are going to draw a sun with sunglasses on it. So first we're going to start with a big circle. Try to do as neat of a circle as you can. It's kind of hard to, but you can always use like a bowl or something and then trace around it to make a perfectly round circle. But I just went and drew mine myself. And then we're going to go ahead and put one side of the sunglass, just like that. And then we'll draw the center part. And then go ahead and draw the other side, just down like that. And the side parts that hold the sunglasses on your head. And then we'll go ahead and give this sun a smile because he's happy. All right. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and draw the sun rays coming off of the sun. So I'm just going to start here at the top. And basically it's just a bunch of little triangles on the outside. Just put them all the way around. They don't have to be exactly the same size, but just try and get them as good as you can. Go back up here. And then one more right in there. All right. And now we're gonna go ahead and outline our sun with our black marker. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start here at the smile. Do that first. And then I'll come up and do the sunglasses. Don't worry about these lines here because we are going to color the sunglasses in black anyways. So, and we'll go ahead and go and do the circle part of the sun. Just be careful doing this because we want it to stay as round as we can. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do our triangles on the outside. And last one. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and take our eraser and go ahead and erase all of those pencil marks. All right, and brush that off. All right, so since we already have our black marker out, I'm going to go ahead and color in the sunglasses, which are going to be black. And of course you can make the sunglasses any color that you'd like. You know, if you want to make them whatever color you like best. I'm going to do the other one. And the other side. All right. So I'm going to use this bright yellow color for the sun. And I'm going to color the sun rays a different color. You can color it the same color if you'd like. I'm just going to go in with a little bit darker yellow for the sun rays. I like this nice bright yellow color for the sun. I like to outline first before I color, because that way there's less of a chance that you'll color into the next area if you outline it first. Okay, and then next I'm going to use a darker yellow, kind of like more of like a maybe a really light orange or a darker yellow for the sun rays. And again, if you want your sun to be all one color, that's fine too. That's a good thing about art, you know, you can color things the way you want, draw things the way you want. It's just, you know, what your preference is. There's a lot of these little triangles to color in. Just go ahead and outline each one. Then you can just color in fast if you want. I'll go back up here. Just a couple more. And last one. All right. So lastly, we have to color in the sun's mouth. I'm going to use this bright red for its mouth. All right, and that's it. That's how we draw a sun. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. I do have other kids drawings on my page, and then I do post 2 times a week, so there's a lot more videos to come. Thank you for watching.